Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Angelina. I'm at Thousand Palms Public Library in Thousand Palms, California. I've got a story for you today. Thank you, Harper Collins, for allowing us to read this. We're very excited. I've got Kitten's First Full Moon by Kevin Henkes. And he's also the illustrator of this lovely award-winning book. Kitten's First Full Moon. It was Kitten's first full moon. When she saw it, she thought, there's a little bowl of milk in the sky, and she wanted it. So she closed her eyes and she stretched her neck and she opened her mouth and licked. But Kitten only ended up with the bug on her tongue. Poor Kitten. Oof, that's rough. Still, there was a little bowl of milk just waiting. So she pulled herself together and she wiggled her bottom and sprang from the top step of the porch. But Kitten only ended up tumbling down, bumping her nose and banging her ear and pinching her tail. Poor Kitten. Oh, what a rough time. Still, there was that little bowl of milk just waiting. So she chased it. Down the sidewalk, through the garden, past the field, and by the pond, but Kitten never seemed to get closer. Poor Kitten. Still, there was the little bowl of milk just waiting. So she ran to the tallest tree she could find, and she climbed, and she climbed, and she climbed, and she climbed, and she climbed to the very top. But Kitten couldn't reach the bowl of milk, and now she was scared. I don't blame her. Poor Kitten. What could she do? What can she do? Then, in the pond, right down here, Kitten saw another bowl of milk. Can you believe that? And it was bigger. What a night. So she raced down the tree and raced through the grass and raced to the edge of the pond, and she leaped with all her might. Poor Kitten. She was wet and sad and tired and hungry because the bowl of milk wasn't a bowl of milk. So she climbed out of the lake and she is all wet and sad. But she decided she needed to go back home, so that's what she did. And there it was, a great big bowl of milk on the porch, just waiting for her. What a lucky kitten. The end. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy reading.